Hello, my name is Vitaly. I create ASMR video on this channel. Camera, lighting 1, 2, 3, toys, background. I choose objects and set up the scene myself. I film everything using my own setup. Then I edit the video and adjust the sound. All videos are made by me, use my own ideas and process. Thank you.